Now the details on this are awesome. Hey there, how you going guys? Welcome back to Hearns TV, it's me again, Dan, and I've gone to do a video for you today, but it's not an unboxing video. It's something else I would like to talk to you guys about. Now, the one thing that happens to me at work regularly is people come in, they're looking for a gift or for themselves, but it's not for a model kit, not something that they put together. They want something finished, like a die-cast model. Now, in that area, we've actually got quite a bit. Now, we have a lot of cars, sports cars and classic cars. Over in the RC department, we also have prime movers trucks. But over in my department, when it comes to like aircraft, tanks and things like that, we do have a little bit. Now, unfortunately, when it comes to armored vehicles, we had a little bit a while ago, but they sold really, really quickly. Okay, one of our more popular lines with aircraft, it's not actually die cast, it's very hard plastic. And as you can see, I've got a couple of them here, guys. I have got a P-40E Tomahawk and I've got a Hawker Typhoon, two very common fighter planes from World War II. Don't have any bombers, unfortunately, at the moment, but we've got quite a few different aircraft in this line. And actually, I've got one, it's out of the box, I'm going to show you here. Actually, now just let me grab it. Now, these also come with a stand. I've got here, you just 72 scale, Focke-Wulf 190. I'll hold it up to the camera so you can see. The details on it are excellent, actually. I'll give you a good look at the around the cockpit and the rest of the plane too. Beautiful, beautiful little plane. The Focke-Wulf 190 is one of my favorite fighters of World War II, and it's got markings, and they come with a stand as well that holds it up just off your table or your bench or wherever you're displaying it. They start, we've got about 8 or 9 different kinds of plane. With this one, they start at around $24.95 and then they go up from there. Now, that's the more basic ones. Now, I'll show you one of the others that we've got. We've only got the one of these at the moment, so I didn't actually want to take this one out of the box. This one's 72 scale, but P-38 Lightning. Now this one is a little bit more detailed. This is from the Platinum collection, as you can see down the bottom there. This one is, I think it was $49.95. Yeah, and once again, we've only got the one. We also had, not that long ago, we had an A-10 Warthog and a couple of other planes, but they sell quickly. Yeah. Now, with Christmas just around the corner, guys, once again, these would make really good gifts. Those are the more basic ones, which is, like I was saying, like a really hard plastic. Excellent quality, very beautiful. But moving up the ladder just a little bit, I'm going to show you. This is from Oxford Aviation. And this is, you're starting to get up to around the $60 mark with these ones. Now this is a die cast. This one is alloy and it comes with a stand as well. 72 scale, but I've got one that we have, our display model, that I would really like to show you. I'll just bring it over here. I'll hold it up to the camera so you can see it. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. I'll hold on to it so it doesn't fall off the stand. But as you can see, a lot of detail. This has got a fair bit of weight to it as well. So it's made with quality alloys. Yes, the Hawker Tempest. Yeah, Oxford Aviation. We've got a few of these as well. And I think we've also got a couple of Spitfires with the Oxford Aviation collection as well. Now, getting up to the very high end of the die-cast models that we have, I want to show you. Now these, also from Oxford. Now this, you're getting close to the $100 mark with these ones, but they're magnificent. The quality of the box, as you can see, is excellent. The way it's bound, the cover, the colors, everything. This is a very, very, very beautiful way to present a die-cast model. Now I'll just show you what it looks like from the inside, what the actual model looks like. Now this one is called a Walrus, which was a seaplane used by the British, as you can see. Now the details on this are awesome. Once again, it's got quite a bit of weight to it, and you can see the little gun emplacements, and you can even see, I'll show you where the engine is and the propeller. This is fantastic detail on this one, and you can feel the weight. Once again, very good quality alloys to make up this one. This is a gift for you know, you very serious aircraft enthusiast. These ones by Oxford, we only have a few of them, and they're not all the Walrus. We have an Avro Anson, I think, and there's one other. I can't quite remember which one it was, though. I will just carefully put that back over there. Yes, so looking at hoping to have more die-cast models come in before Christmas, but I've got one more to show you. Just one. Now, this one isn't military aircraft, but I just thought it would interest you anyway. Now, these, also from Oxford, are earth-moving equipment. And as you can see, very nicely bound. Beautiful quality. I'll open that one up and let you see on the inside all of the information. And I'll uncover it there. I'll hold that up to the camera so you guys can see. We have a couple of these in stock at the moment, and yeah, anybody who's really into earth-moving equipment and that kind of stuff, this would be a spectacular present for them. But yeah, anyway guys, that's all I got for you for today. This one's going to be a pretty quick one, because like I said, other than the sports cars and muscle cars that are down in the RC department, we don't have too much in the way of die-cast models in the store, but really hoping to get more, because it seems to be something that quite a few people like. But yeah, cool. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys, and having a look at what we've got on offer. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I always hope to see you in the store, maybe buying some of the stuff that I've shown you today. And yeah, tune in next time, and as always, rock and roll, baby. Oh yeah.